Hello, I'm William Higgins with WiMAXATL. We're a clear authorized reseller in the Atlanta area. Today we're going to take a look at the actual new clear USB hardware. This is the new 4G mobile adapter, USB adapter. It's by a manufacturer named Ubi or Ubi. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's UBEE. It's a slightly odd shaped, I guess you could say odd. It's this little kind of bulbous at the top, very rounded. It has a clear logo on here, and actually this is a light. Once we get into the actual demonstration on the laptop or the netbook, you'll see that this lights up red, green, based on different connection options there. So this it swivels. It can connect in a couple different ways. Obviously, it doesn't really twist. It just sort of can either lay flat or go up. But it is a USB adapter that can connect directly to the computer. Now, what is interesting really about this device is that it actually has an external antenna connector. That has been something that people have been asking for, the ability to add an external antenna to boost your signal strength. And so that leads me to the next device we have here, which is the Clear Performance Dock, which is exactly as described. You're able to dock your USB adapter into this larger antenna. It's fairly sturdy base, just a USB connection. There are no other ports available, and it really is designed to be a way to dock your USB adapter and boost your signal strength. So presumably you'll get a better or faster signal, faster speeds with the performance dock. And this is really the first part of this video, just showing the hardware. The next part, we're actually going to get in and do a test. We're going to connect the USB adapter directly to a laptop and do a speed test, look at the signal strength, and then we're going to connect it to the dock and see if we actually see an improvement. Hi, we're back and we're on the computer now, and I've got the USB device connected directly to the computer. It is not connected to the performance dock, and as you can see, I get very low signal strength here. I'm also going to show you, if we go into the diagnostic screen and go to the device, you can see one feature to look for here is the SINAR score, which is sitting around 5. I think it bumps to 6 or so, but effectively about 5, and that gives us an indication of our signal strength as well. So what I'm going to do real quick is do a speed test. We'll just go to Atlanta here. That's where we are located, and see what we get. It's even taking a while to initialize, and that's usually a bad indication that the speeds aren't going to be too good. So as you can see, I'm lucky if I hit a meg. Okay, there we go. So overall, we're getting about a meg, 1.3, I guess, megs on the download. Barely scratching the surface. We're just, that needle's going nowhere on the upload. So pretty pathetic when it comes to, but mind you, I'm in my basement. I am by a window, but this is what I typically expect. So I'm just going to minimize that. And make this guy back up. And what we'll do is we're going to disconnect. I'm going to we'll cut away, and we'll switch to put the device into the performance dock and hook up the performance dock to the netbook of the laptop, and we'll redo the same test and see if we see an improvement. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the USB device and insert it into the performance dock. As you can see, there's a antenna connector. You push it back like that. And I'm going to turn this around, kind of point it outside, and plug it in. And we're good to go. Okay, so here we are back connected with the Clear Performance dock. The first thing I want to show you is that now I'm actually getting full signal strength right here in the Clear Connection Manager, which is, I mean, a huge boost to the 1 or 2 lights that we had before. I'm going to go into the diagnostic section here and show you the SINAR score. Earlier it was sitting around
a 5. We've got at least a 14 right now, so we've easily doubled, if not more so, our signal strength, the WiMAX signal, using the performance dock. And I got up here, and one last test is to run a speed test. I think earlier we barely got, I think we got a meg and a half or a third, and now we're already, so we've easily doubled, possibly tripled our speeds, our download speeds for performance dock. Upload speeds, I guess we'll see what we'll get there. Yeah, I mean, still not on upload, it's not quite what I'd like, but I mean, considering I barely had a signal before, there's no doubt that we can see that the performance dock does work as advertised. It does provide you with a boosted signal strength and boosted upload and download speeds for clear. So certainly at this point, for $10, it's a worthy addition if you plan on using the new USB driver, USB device for Clear WiMAX. Thank you very much.